How to fix stolen device protection not showing on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how you can fix stolen device protection not showing on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. So right now as you can see, stolen device protection is not showing up on my iPhone. So if you have an iPhone X and below model, you won't see this feature in this model because this feature is provided by Apple with the updated iOS 17.3, which supports iPhone XS and later models. If you are also not seeing this feature, then go to Settings app on your device, find and tap General, tap Software Update. Now update your iPhone to iOS 17.3. Enter. After installing the latest version of iOS, now you can turn on stolen device protection in settings. So open up the settings menu, then find and tap Face ID and passcode. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Now you have to set up your Face ID. So set up your Face ID, tap Get Started. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Tap Done. Now scroll down and turn on protection. Turning on stolen device protection requires Find My iPhone to be turned on. So guys, stolen device protection is not turning on because we are not signed in with our Apple ID. So let's sign in with Apple ID and then try to turn it on. Select Use another Apple device or sign in manually. Here, enter your Apple ID to sign in. Then enter your password and tap sign in. Now enter Apple ID verification code. After that, go to Find My iPhone and here make sure that Find My iPhone is enabled. After turning on the Find My iPhone, again go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Now try to turn on stolen device protection. This time the stolen device protection will be turned on. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.